Hello and welcome to Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth. Let me introduce, and we are honored to have him here with us today, the renowned Mr. Adityanath Mobile from Quizcraft.
Welcome once again to another quiz segment of the Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth program. First question coming up for Team 1. At which university were Larry Page and Sergey Brin studying when they founded Google? You've got three options. 1, Stanford, 2, Harvard, or 3, Oxford.
I think it's Stanford.
You go with Stanford? A, Stanford is absolutely correct. 10 points there. Question 2 for contestant number 2. At which Olympic Games did India first win a gold medal? Your three options are A, 1980 Moscow, B, 1928 Amsterdam, or C, 1948 London.
Answer B.
B, 1928 Amsterdam is absolutely correct. Well done. 10 points there to you. Which was the first company to launch cellular telephone services in India? Your three options are A, Airtel, B, BSNL, or C, Modi Telstra.
C.
C, Modi Telstra is absolutely correct. You get 10 full points. Question 4 for Team 4. Which was the first Indian airline to commence operations? Your three options are A, Modi Luft, B, Tata Airlines, or C, Jet Airways.
I'll go with B, Tata Airlines.
You'll go with B, Tata Airlines, and Tata Airlines thanks you for your confidence and gives you 10 full points. Well done. Tata Airlines it was, started services way back in the 30s. And after that became nationalized and was called Air India. Team 5, your question coming up. Which was the first of the Indian Institutes of Technology to be set up? The first of them. Your options are A, Kharagpur, B, Kanpur, or C, Bombay.
I'll go with A, Kharagpur.
A, Kharagpur is absolutely correct. You get not just Kharagpur, it's Correctpur. You get 10 full points there. Well done. Question 6 coming up to Team 6. Which president of the United States of America was born William Jefferson Blythe in 1946? Your three options are A, Barack Obama, B, George Bush, or C, Bill Clinton.
I will go with George Bush.
George Bush unfortunately does not go with you. The correct answer, Bill Clinton, was the correct answer there, not George Bush. The next question coming up for you, Team 7. What was the first product made by MRF when it was set up in 1946? You have three options. A, toy balloons, B, pencil erasers, or C, cycle tires.
Toy balloons, A.
A, toy balloons gets you 10 full points. Well done. Good answer. Who was the first president of India to hold the office without first becoming vice president? Your three options are A, Dr. Pratibha Patil, B, Dr. Zakir Hussain, or C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
It's C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is absolutely correct. Okay, that brings us to the end of our first round. It's been pretty high scoring, lots of teams getting onto the score sheet. And we move straight into our second round, which is called Shutter Speed. Question 1. Identify this aircraft. It's been much in the news
Rafale.
Recently. The Rafale it is, the Dassault Rafale, which has recently been selected by the Indian Air Force for the multi-mode role combat aircraft, MMRCA. Identify this legendary designer, fashion designer. Very well-known person in the field of clothes, fashion. Just name him. I'm sure you would have heard his name. It's one of the big designer labels or brands available today. You're passing. Team 3, take a guess. You're passing. Team 4.
Tommy Hilfiger.
Tommy Hilfiger is the right answer. 5 bonus points there to Team 4 for getting Tommy Hilfiger. Identify the company from its logo.
Nestle.
Nestle it is. And identify these famous brothers. The two brothers you're going to see there. Name them.
They're the right brothers.
They are the Wright brothers. That is Orville and Wilbur Wright. Gets you 10 points. What name or common name was given to this sporting arena? Because of its shape, it was given a particular name.
Chestnut.
Chestnut. Not chestnut. Passing. Team
Olympus.
6.
Olympus.
Not Olympus. Passing to Team 7. You're passing Team 8.
Is it called the sandal or something?
The Sandal. Passing Team 1. You're passing Team 2. Team 3. Team 4.
Something in China.
Yes. Bird's nest is the right answer. Identify this media guru. Well-known figure from the advertising and entertainment industry.
Pass.
You're passing.
Prasoon Joshi.
Prasoon Joshi gets you 5 bonus points. Well done. We're going to show you the logo of an airline. All you have to do is name the airline whose emblem or logo you see here.
Emirates.
Emirates it is. 10 full points there. Well done. Identify this corporate leader, one of the big names in the world of business.
Pass.
You're passing. Coming round to Team 1.
Tata's new chairman.
Tata's new chairman. You're passing. Team 2. Passing. Team 3.
Cyrus.
What?
Cyrus Mistry.
Cyrus Mystery is the right answer. Well done. 5 points there for Team 3. And that brings us to the end of Shutter Speed. Thank you very much. And till the next time that we meet again on this show, which is called Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth, from me, it's goodbye. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Aditya. Like I told you, it was an interesting session. Lot of information. We did get a big hand for all the contestants here. Okay, the moment has arrived that we let you know who the winners are. But first, let me call our judges on the stage. The very beautiful Diana and the very handsome Sabir with a big hand here. Okay, now let me go ahead and ask you, we have 2 winners for today. Who do you think it will be? Let me go ahead and tell you, the first winner is Radhika. A big hand for her. With a big hand here, let's call him on to the stage, the second winner. Congratulations to all the winners on behalf of Maruti Suzuki. I would like to thank our participants for actually making this so very interesting. Well, we had an amazing time in Chennai, ladies and gentlemen, but it's now time to say bye until next week from all of us here.